All right, people, so before it get dark, I want to show you why I check my fish. Now you see right here, you see that right there? That's worms. That's worms right there, people. All of that little white stuff right there. We call that spaghetti worms. That's what that is right there. See that? That's worms, people. And that's why I check my fish, and that's why I won't eat nobody else's fish. Because I don't know how they clean it. I don't know how they check it. I don't know if they check it for worms. I don't know how they clean it. I do not buy fish out of the fish market. I do not do the, you buy, we fry. I do not do that. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know I don't know what people do with their fish. So that's why you supposed to always check your fish, man. I know some of y'all gonna say, oh, boss man, just stick it in the grease and fry it, man. Once you fry it, it's all good. I ain't doing that either. It ain't nothing wrong with the rest of the fish. All you have to do is just cut that section out and you good to go. This piece right here, I didn't see no worms in this here piece, so this piece right here good to go. That's all you gotta do. Cut that part off, and the rest of your fillet is good to go.